Hello kids, previously we learnt about articles and prepositions. What are articles? A and the are called articles. So basing on how to use the articles and how to use the prepositions, I had sent you a audio. So basing on that we can complete our worksheet today in IEO. So articles while using you must remember that whether they are countable. If they are countable we can use a and an, and something which is very definite we know it, then we use the. Now see the first one. Kashi is dash honest man police officer. So here H starts with the consonant, but still why we are using an here, because the pronunciation of honest is honest, means H is silent, we call it as honest police, therefore we use an. So such words will be there. Even for unique, so while you are using you, umbrella, so umbrella and umbrella, because it is starting with a sound, but if it starts with a u sound, then we cannot say that it is having a vowel or a vowel sound or consonant sound. So what to use a and an, you will be getting somewhat confused. So check them properly. Now if you go with the first one, where did you get dash bag from? So particularly if they are asking about something, what do we want to use? Basing on that, can we say a bag, the bag or an? So they are talking particular. When they are talking particular, according to the sentence you want to use the context. Where did you get dash bag from? Now second one, he studies in dash university. So university, we said, we discussed before that, when you starting with the u or y sound, that what we want to use. Okay, so basing on that you can write. Even if you see the word like unique, it starts with a, then what sound does university will have? Now poverty is dash global issue. So poverty, what is poverty? So basing on that, what can we say? Can we say a, an or the? Now fourth one, the patient is in dash x-ray room. So something particularly or something which we are saying, basing on the context you want to write the correct answer. I went to lock dash door. What do we say? So is it a door, the door or an door? So basing on that you want to write your answer. Now coming to the sixth one, please give me dash book of your choice. So there is a choice, many books are there is a choice. So what do we want to use? Seventh one, I have never seen dash elf. So dash elf. Now who is elf? You can see elf is a person, a character like having pointed nose, something who is different. So I have never seen dash elf. So what article do we use there? Basing on that you can write. Now India is dash largest democracy. Basing on the degrees of comparison we have EST largest. So what do we use now? Dash Titanic sank in its first voyage. So what do we use the article? Is it a, an or the? Dash school bus is late by dash hour. Now try to complete it basing on the context. Dash Lal Killa was built by Emperor Shah Jahan. So what do we use? Do we use a, an or the? Now 12th one, yesterday I met dash one-eyed man. So one-eyed man is there. So I met, what do you use? A, an or the? Particularly, is it particularly about a person or normally they are talking? So basing on that you can write. Don't go out in the rain or you will catch dash cold. So what are the options here? You can check the options. So what do we use? Is it a, an or the or no article? So such options also will be there where we don't use an article. Dash January is the first month of the year. So what do we use here? Normally it's the sentence which we regularly speak. Now coming to 15th one, Rahul came back after 3.5 months. So basing on the sentence you use the article. Now coming to the prepositions, fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. They show the place or something, the movement or something of the preposition. So my mother is fond dash coffee. So answer is of coffee. Now if we see the 16th one, a little turtle lived dash a log in the swamp. So log means a big wooden one that we say it as a log. So where is the turtle is living? It is living, can we say it lived under, of or into? So basing on the options you want to write the correct answer. That building is dash fire, call for help. So what do we use? Can we say in fire, on fire, at fire or into fire? The deep deer is jumping dash the fence. So fence, you know what is the fence. So how do they jump? Already in moment we observed when they are jumping. What can we use? See if you can see in prepositions, what do we say if we are jumping above something? What do you say? Basing on that we can write that one. There is a beautiful house dash the hill. Now where it is can we say among the hill, upon the hill, by the hill, or into the hill? Now if you see the 20th question, my friends were standing dash me on the bench. My friends were standing dash me on the beach. So where are they standing? Basing on that, can we say below me, upon me, over me, or beside me? Just by seeing the options, it will be very easy to find it out. Just try all the options, children, then only you will be able to write the answer. We plan to see Sumit dash 2 and 3 in the afternoon. So some timing they gave you. So basing on that, you can select that preposition. Roma walked dash the stairs to the ground floor. So where is she walking? Can we say down, at, on, or upon? The school remains closed dash Sundays. You know the answer very well, I think. So try to complete it. UV hit the ball dash the boundary. So boundary is the word you have learned in cricket. So what can we say? Can we say on the boundary, under the boundary, over the boundary, or at the boundary? Now coming to 25th. Minnie was absent dash the school last Friday. So what word can we use here? Can we see in, from, at, or into? 26th. Dennis knocked dash the door before entering the room. Where is he knocking the door? Can we say below, over, above, or at? Now people prefer traveling dash metro. So what do the people prefer? Is it off the metro, by metro, over metro, or in metro? Now coming to 28th. Ram's friends congratulated him dash his success. So about what they are congratulating him? So success, is it at his success, over, on, or upon? So basing on the context, complete it. Now coming to 29th in page number 29. My brother cut the cake dash a knife. So how do we use a knife? So it's very easy, I think, for you children. Try to write the answer. Normally we use it in a sentence. We have been living in Indore dash 2009. When the dates are given, what do we use? Is it on, for, from, or since? So the timing is mentioned. So basing on that, you want to complete that one. Now coming to your achievers section, choose the correct option to complete. Now my uncle visited dash Andaman and Nicobar Islands and dash Kerala. So articles you want to use, the suitable article. So 2 articles. Which 2 articles really suits it? Now coming to 32. Mother gave me dash money, I will buy dash book. So which articles, 2 articles, which suits it properly? Basing on that, you want to take the answer. We do not have any exam dash 8th May. So we do not have any exam. When? Is it because, until, between, or beside? Now coming to 34. Everyone is talking dash the broad daylight robbery in the city. So some robbery has happened. So basing on the context, you want to write the answer. Now coming to 35. This brush is free dash cost. So what do we want to use according to the sentence? Try to complete it. Okay, and send through WhatsApp.